na doon nag-clear. Ayun na doon nag-clear bed.
Dari picture nagtasot ka na. Lawin sige. Suntin isa kami. Lengkap lah.
Pakai mata.
Dapat di-check na i-check kali.
Đi là man
semua bentuk tu lah.
là man xiêm thâm bệnh.
Tamam.
Last night and early morning, because of heavy rainfall in different parts of the state, especially in East Kynta Hills district, certain very important road connections have been damaged quite severely. I had taken a review meeting on video conferencing with all the respective deputy commissioners and officials from the different districts, as well as honorable ministers had joined. And post the meeting, we have decided to form 4 regional committees to be headed by respective ministers. The Kynta Hills, which will take care of East and West Kynta Hills, Mr. Lakman Rumbui, who is the Honorable Home Minister, along with the Revenue Minister, Mr. Kermen Shila, and other leaders from the local districts, as well as the Deputy Commissioners will be members. And I've asked them to closely monitor the situation in the next 24 hours to 48 hours in the district, and to ensure that steps are taken so that the movement of vehicles can start at the earliest, especially the essential supplies that are required for not just those districts, but for the neighboring states also. Apart from that, we have formed a committee for Ribhoy and for East Khasi Hills, and we have asked our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Preston Tinsong, along with other leaders and other district administration officials and departments,